Don't you just love texture in your painting? Well, I do. And I also love to work with low-cost materials, like a wall filler, break sand and some bird sand. You can all find these cheap materials at the hardware store, and they give a lovely texture, as you can see. Time to start. Put my apron on and let's begin. Well, I start with the wall filler to make a base layer on my canvas, and I love this texture paste. It's cheap and it gives a lovely texture, and it's very easy to work with. I often get a question, doesn't it fall off? No, it won't fall off your canvas. If you put it this way and you make sure that the wall filler makes a good contact with your canvas, it won't fall off and it won't break also. So here is the break sand. There are little stones in it, and it gives a lovely texture, a rough texture in your when you mix it with your wall filler. I mix it just straight on the canvas, as you can see. Now I put some bird sand on it, and in the bird sand are some little shells, and this gives with a different kind of texture than the break sand, but the combination is beautiful, and it gives also another color to your painting. To create some extra depth in your painting, in your texture, I'm gonna put another layer of just the wall filler on top of the texture. I use my big palette knife and spray some water on it. Now the texture from the painting won't stick to my palette knife, so that's important and more easy to work with. So now I create this way a smooth texture, as you can see on top, and below is the rough texture. You can now see how beautiful two layers are together. But I want to go a step further, so I'm gonna put another layer of texture on it. Now I'm using the Powertex. That is just working like a glue. I also bring some Powertex to the painting, and then I bring some small amounts of texture to the painting, like this. This way you create little mountains of texture. The Powertex looks white, but it is transparent, so when it's dry it is completely transparent. You can also bring some loose break sand or burnt sand to your painting. So no mixing, just sprinkle it over your painting, and when there is glue, your brake sand will stick to the painting. To bring some light in the painting, I'm using the wall filler on top of the texture, just here and there on the painting. Take a look at this beautiful texture and also the colors, because the sand will bring the color to the painting, so you don't have to paint it afterwards. I have to come to love this Nettle flax, because the combination, the contrast is so beautiful with the soft fibers and the rough texture. And when your texture is still wet, not hardened yet, it will stick to the texture because it's so light. Look at that fiber that comes out of the rough texture. It gives a very beautiful combination, and I hope you loved it. Please let me know in the comments. Hope to see you in the next video.